Top left. Earns her own best in melodic and symphonic progressive rock on Quirky Shortcut 3975 and 6160 AM. It's really quickly in the UK. 10 o'clock and 24 euros.
From Chichester, York, Eileen Denslow. What was required in shooting at the hospital in the US city of Chicago. Chief Secretary Doctor and pharmaceutical assistant all killed. According to the Chicago Tribune newspaper, witnesses and key sources say it was reporting over in South engagement with the victim focused on the news doctor that entered the hospital in an apparent rage. The council led out of the hospital was being facilitated the following working from the hospital. Another thing, we had approximately thousands of gunshots. 3 men arrested over an alleged helicopter in the Australian city of Melbourne, which aimed to kill as many people as possible, have tried to source a semi-automatic rifle, according to police. Arthur Stevens has left Melbourne.
3 men reportedly brothers on 21, 26 and 2. In Melbourne, arrested during early morning hours. From the factory. Yeah, this is what